Gotta put the men to work.
The men work. Women can work too.
A woman can do a man's job.
Alright, Maria, let's give them a quick walkthrough of the RV. It's a 2009 Jayco. We bought this for around $5,000. We were gonna use it to go camping with the family, but I think we're just gonna get a bigger one, right, Maria?
Yes, sir.
Let's give them a quick walkthrough. It's not that bad of shape, but it's really outdated. It says 2009. Oh, Jayco Bird's seen better days, right?
Yeah.
We'll get that painted. We'll have to pressure wash it too, get all that nasty stuff out of there. We might paint this whole front wall too. Just this wall right here. Just paint it white just to make it look newer. The graphics are pretty good shape. That's an outdoor shower. That's pretty cool. But it's leaking, so we're gonna see if we fix that. Here's your city water connection. Just connect your hose right there. And connection, get power. Here's the poop drain.
That's where the poop comes out.
I don't want to see that. Here's the back.
How long is it?
It's 15 feet long and 8 feet wide. Here's your spare tire. You don't want to travel without a spare tire. That'll be a bad idea. Yeah, that's pretty much it. The exterior doesn't need that much work. We are going to be caulking everything new. If you want to zoom in there, show them. Look at that. It's cracked. This side's pretty good. You've got some outdoor connection right there for your outdoor TV, you know. The water heater. This is your pilot. Water heater doesn't work either. See if we can fix that too. Tires are good. Some more storage. That's about it for the exterior. You got an antenna. Yeah, that's about it. You ready to go on the inside?
Yes, sir.
Let's go. The inside.
So right over here, we have a bunk bed. And it has lots of lights everywhere, like right here, a light over there. It has a little tiny closet right here where you can put your little knickknacks and stuff. Here we have our bathroom. I am exactly 5 feet, so just think about that for like a very tall person. A tall person could not fit in.
Oh
here.
yeah, 6 feet and up won't be able.
Yeah, no, this is for men, for like a much below average person. And then the shower works, it all works. The toilet. And then here we have another little pantry / closet area. Our mini fridge, some more cabinetry right here, under
AC.
there. AC. And then we have our couch right here, which does turn into a bed, guys. This comes out. And then this pulls out.
Yep.
And then that comes out. We have more storage under here. Right there. Here we have the kitchen. Little stove top, microwave. Your, what is this called?
Vent.
Your vent, yes, that's right.
What are we gonna be doing to the RV? Are we gonna just paint? It's gonna be a heavy remodel. And
so we plan on painting, putting in a new floor. Are we gonna keep these? They look a little outdated.
Yeah, they kind of do. We're gonna be reupholstering these too, right?
Yes, of course we are.
Yeah, as well as the mattress tops. Or probably just put covers on them. Yeah, I guess we could remove these, and then we're gonna build custom blinds, right?
Yeah.
Custom blinds.
Gonna be a pretty simple remodel on a budget, of course.
Yeah, just to make everything look a little bit more updated, you know, because right now it's looking a little
out of the weather.
Yeah. Oh, especially the floor too. Look at
Yeah,
that.
this floor looks like
There's
seen better days.
water damage down there. Kind of looks like it.
Mm-hmm.
But we'll see. We got some squeaky floors. Yeah, that's about it.
AC up here. This thing blows cold.
Those ice balls.
Mm-hmm. And we're back in the RV demo. I got to order my Fast 505 degreaser. This is going to take off all the grease and muck from the walls and the cabinets. The World's Best Wallpaper Stripper by Chomp. This is going to penetrate all of the wallpaper and take it off much more easily and smoothly. The wallpaper stinks really bad, so doing it the old-fashioned way was going to take so long, and it was going to mess up my nose. Look at that. That's gross. Look at that old caulking. Kind of looks like a snake. The paints that I have are the interior semi-gloss enamel from Behr Premium. These are paint and primer mixed. We are still going to put primer first before prior to this. It's just good to have extra protection. I have the color Sandstone Cliff. It's like a yellow and a beige kind of color. Then we have Great Graphite, I think that's what it's called. It's a very soft gray. And then here we have the Midtown color. It is about a soft beige kind of color. The RV has now been demoed and been prepped. The doors have been removed from everywhere. As you can see, I've cleaned out all the gunk, removed all the caulking. So next is to paint. So tune in for the next episode on how we paint the doors in the RV, because that's going to give it a whole new face. So I'll see you next week. Bye.